Hello creatives! In this video, I'll share with you 10 best ways to make money from home with zero money. You won't believe how easy it is to make a few dollars from home in minutes without any investment. I will share money-making ideas that we often ignore, not knowing that they are our quickest ticket out of the financial bog. The truth is that there's nothing more prideful than being able to make money quickly when you want it. More importantly, there's nothing more fulfilling than earning it from home. Sadly though, it often calls for money to make money. So what happens when you need money badly but you don't have any investment? Well, that's where I come in. But before then, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel and continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get informed every time I publish a life-changing video. Let's start making money. Number 1. Freelance Online. In my view, online freelancing is the easiest and quickest way to make money from home without spending any. Provided you have an internet-enabled computer and some skills, you can sell your services online for some quick cash. Some of your services you can exchange for cash online include web content writing, transcription services, graphic design, web design, virtual assistants, social media management, proofreading services. So, how do you get started in the freelance workspace? Once you have the skill for any one of the jobs I've mentioned, you need to find a good freelancing platform to sign up. I recommend Upwork because of its safe and quick payment structure, but still, you can try Guru and People Per Hour. You need to find a job that you can do on the freelancing platform and apply. Number 2. Tutor students online. Whether you want to make money full-time or part-time, you cannot go wrong with online classes. Many English natives make money on the side offering ESL, English as a second language. In most cases, you only need a degree and it doesn't have to be related to teaching. That's in addition to being an English native. Some of the best ESL platforms are VIP Kid, EF Education First, and Q Kids. But still, ESL is not the only thing you can teach online. Some students need help with their assignments or exam preparation. So, if you have some tutoring experience in academic subjects like science and mathematics, consider searching for academic tutoring jobs. You can find such jobs at Chegg or Tutor.com, two of the leading academic tutoring sites. Generally, online tutoring can earn you $10 to $20 an hour depending on the platform. Number 3. Offer childcare services. If you're a stay-at-home mom who's looking for a quicker and more comfortable way to make money, consider offering childcare services. You can do it in your home, which means you get to save on rent. You can start with 1 or 2 kids and you may not need a license for that. Kids are generally playful, so provided you have some spaces where they can play, everyone will have an easy time. Besides, most of them are likely to come with their toys, which means you don't have to buy any. Overall, you can make about $20 an hour on average looking after kids. You can find well-paying childcare jobs on urbansitter.com or sittercity.com or local job search engines like Craigslist and Indeed. Number 4. Pet sit in your free time. Pet sitting is a side hustle you can do without money or experience. It's a fantastic idea for those who are passionate about our animal friends. Pet sitting is more like offering daycare services, only that you don't have to change diapers or soothe anyone to sleep. Some pet owners may ask you to walk their animal friends, which may come with some tips. Some pet sitting jobs pay about $20 an hour, which is not bad for a side hustle. To get started, consider signing up on rover.com. They even have a user-friendly app you can use to create your profile and apply for pet sitting jobs. Alternatively, you can search for local pet sitting gigs on Craigslist or Indeed. Number 5. Rent out your space. A sharing economy is taking over the space sector. Nowadays, people are sharing house units and rooms, offices, and even storage or parking spaces. While this is a low-cost saving approach for the renter, it's a money-making idea for the one renting out. If you have an extra room, you can list it on Airbnb and make about $50 a night. And if it's your office space that you want to rent out, you can make about $200 a month on liquid space. Lastly, you can also make money by renting out your store, garage space, or basement on neighbor.com. On a good day, you can make $20 to $50. Number 6. Share your ride. The sharing economy is also taking over the transport sector, and now people are talking about ride sharing. If you drive to work every morning, consider sharing your car. Doing so allows you to make money on the side that you can use to fuel your vehicle. Besides, you don't have to change your route or destination. All you have to do is pick a client going your way or close to your destination. I'm talking about signing up with a ride-sharing service like Uber or Tutor. If you're not the type to drive people around, then rent out your car to the ride-sharing service when you don't need it. This allows you to make about $600 monthly. 7. Start decluttering. There must be something at home that you're not using, which could fetch you some quick cash. For example, if you have some old textbooks, you can list them for sale on Amazon Marketplace. Amazon Marketplace is also an excellent place to enlist electronics and clothes that you aren't using. You can also list them on eBay or Craigslist, as those two platforms are similar to Amazon Marketplace. The good thing about decluttering is that it doesn't just make you money quickly, it also helps you assume a minimalist lifestyle. You get to get rid of the clutter lying around your space. You can even sell your notes, and the best platforms for that are Stuvia or Nexus Notes. There are students out there who would love to pay for the learning materials. Number 8. Rent out your stuff online. If you can't sell it, then you should probably rent it out. Things like baby gear, power tools, and clothes may be hard to sell because you'll likely need them at some point. So the best thing would be to rent them out for quick cash. A site like Fat Llama lets you do exactly that. You can rent out just about anything on the platform. Other platforms worth considering include Rent Not Buy and Loanables. The good thing about renting out your stuff over selling them is that you have them whenever you want. They may not be in the same condition, but that's a risk you have to take. What's more, you decide who to rent your stuff out to and how much to charge them. Number 9. Sell stock images. If you have a good camera and a creative spark, start taking cute photos and upload them on stock websites. It's free to do, and you can make money when customers buy your image license. Some of the best stock websites can make you money quickly, including Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Adobe Stock. The beautiful thing about photography is that you can earn income passively, so you don't have to be uploading photos every time. However, it's an excellent idea to do that as it improves your chances of selling more. You can take images of people, nature, birds, animals, and just about anything inspiring. Number 10. Do odd jobs next door. Last but not least, the guy next door may need your help to move, pick up groceries, or do laundry. Another one around the block may require some plumbing assistance or lawn care. If you can do those jobs, then you should be making money right now. A platform like TaskRabbit connects you with local clients in need of manual workers, so you don't have to go far to get an odd job. The best part is that you can set the rate and have the freedom to negotiate for better pay. You can also use a platform like Craigslist to find better paying odd jobs in your neighborhood. Once you impress a few clients with your skill, chances are they'll hire you repeatedly and refer you to their friends. In conclusion, you don't need money to make money. Even better, you can make money fast with no investment as depicted in my video. So what are you waiting for? It's time you find no investment side hustles that make you money quicker. I know that this video was exciting and you loved it. Check out these other interesting videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're definitely missing out. See you in the next one.